Hi, I'm Wanda, a technology trainer with Senior Planet from AARP. Technology is a powerful tool for exploring the world. This series of videos will introduce you to different apps and digital platforms you can use to explore new places from the comfort of your home, plan a trip, and more. If you're interested in other travel-based programs, including live tours, check us out at seniorplanet.org/travel.
Okay, so you guys are looking at my tablet now. This is my iPad, and we will be using the Instagram icon or the Instagram app. And I've already have Instagram loaded on my tablet. So if you don't have Instagram downloaded, you can download it to your tablet using going to the App Store if you're on an Apple device, or go into the Play Store if you're on an Android device. And the app looks like that very last app at the bottom of my screen. It's the only app on that row. And so I'm just going to tap on that. And I'm already in my Instagram account. We do have lectures on how to use Instagram. So I'm just going to be going over a little bit of key points on Instagram if you're not quite familiar with it. So what you're looking at now is the Senior Planet's Instagram account. And at the top, you will see some circles at the top, and those are called stories. And stories are just short clips of accounts that I'm following, or that Senior Planet is following. They're just short clips of people who have posted something on Instagram, and these clips only are available to me for 24 hours. So if I don't take a look at each one of these clips, then I won't be able to see it. So if it posted yesterday at 10 o'clock my time, where it's 10 o'clock my time now, it'll be gone because it's only on for 24 hours. So all you have to do is just swipe to the left, and you'll see all the different posts from the different people that Senior Planet is following. And so just to see a quick, a short video, you just tap on which one you want to see. So I'm just going to go to NBC News and just tap on it. And it's going to show me some quick clips of what they posted for that day. So I can just swipe to the left and see all the other shorts that are available out there. So I'm just going to go on ahead and just go back to my home screen. Well, actually, I'm just going to click on the X in the top right-hand corner to come off that short and get back to my home screen. At the bottom of your screen here, you will see some more icons. And the first one looks like a house. And so that's your home screen. So when you first come into your Instagram account, you're on your home screen. And so you can tell that's selected because there's a little red dot underneath it. The next one is the search. We're going to use that a lot during this presentation on how to use search in searching for the different places that Mike had talked about in the tour. And then the second one, the third icon is the plus sign. And if I tap on that plus sign, that's where I can upload videos. If I wanted to post something on Instagram. And later on, at the end of this presentation, we're having an Instagram challenge. Senior Planet is having an Instagram challenge. And so what we're asking people to do is to post your favorite vacation or your favorite event that you went to, and post it on the Senior Planet website. And people will vote on it. And what it'll do is it'll give you bragging rights that you won the challenge on the Senior Planet Instagram challenge. So I'll talk about that later on and show you how to do that if you're interested. I'll show you where to go. The fourth icon there, if you tap on that, will show us reels that are out there. And reels are just short, they're also just short little clips. So I'm just going to tap on the home screen again. And then the last icon there is the profile page. So this is Senior Planet's page, whereas on this is the Senior Planet's profile page. So this is where you will see all the posts that Senior Planet, this lady, her name is Janet S. Planet, This is her account. And so anything that she posted will appear on her profile page. So that's just a quick little overview of Instagram. So I'm just going to go tap on the home icon to get back to the home screen. Someone said you can't see the icons at the bottom. Let me see. Can you see them now when I tap it? There's the little icons that begins with the, shows a house and the search bar and the little plus sign. So what we're going to look at real quick, I'm just going to look at my notes here to make sure that I'm covering everything. We're going to use the search button, and that's the second icon over from the left at the bottom there. I'm just going to tap on it. And when I tap on it, we can do a search. And so as Mike was speaking, I was searching for some of these landscapes and places that he was talking about. And one of the ones that he talked about was the Royal Mile. And so at the top, let me go back real quick. This is what you'll see when you tap on that search bar or that search icon. And the search icon, and whenever you're looking for the search icon, like the first thing I always look for is the magnifying glass. Whether you're on your web browser, on your computer, or whether you're in apps, look for that magnifying glass, and that's always going to be your search. And so when you tap on it, it's, normally it'll bring up a search bar, and at the top here is your search bar. So when you tap on the search bar, that's where you can start doing your searches. And so as you can see, I've been searching for a few things as Mike was talking. And so one of the things he did talk about was the Royal Mile in Edinburgh. Those are my keywords that I'm using in my search. And so when I type that in, I've already typed it in, so I'm just going to tap on it now. And so after you type it in and you tap on search, it's going to bring up all the posts on Instagram where people have added those words in their post. Those are called hashtags. So when you if I tap on one of these pictures, I'm just going to tap on the long picture over there on the right, and let me turn off the sound real quick. I can kind of, let me go back. I can hear that in my ear. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I can hear it in my ear. So let me try to turn that off real quick. Where's my little, let me see. Well, I can't find it real quick, but anyway, I'm just going to tap on this picture here and turn that down. And what you tap on that picture, this is a post that someone had posted on Instagram in regards to the Royal Mile in Edinburgh. And the reason this one popped up is because when I tap on, there's three little dots at the bottom there. If I tap on them, you'll see the hashtags, all the different hashtags that this person used in their post. And what a hashtag does, it groups all those posts together that has those keywords that you have put in your search. So the keywords that I used was Royal Mile Edinburgh. So somewhere in their post, they'll have one of those three words. And as you can see, they have hashtag Edinburgh in their post. And so that's how, that's why this post came up, is because it was part of those hashtags. And when you do a post on Instagram, if you want your post to be shared or get attention, that's why you use those hashtags, because it'll be grouped with other posts that have those same keywords within their post. And again, we have a lecture on Instagram that goes more in detail, but I just wanted to mention that to help you understand how you use a hashtag. Another way, I'm going to use my back arrow at the top here, let me bring up my volume a little bit more. I'm going to use the back arrow at the top and just tap on it to go back a screen. And another way that you can look for or search for different people online or on Instagram is to use what's called the @ symbol. Let me go back to my home. and I'm going to tap on AARP. Whenever there's an account on Instagram, the account name begins with an @ sign. So you can search for different accounts by using the @ sign. So if you know the name of somebody's Instagram account, you can type in the @ sign and then whatever their name is. So for example, I'm gonna go back up to the search by tapping on that search button at the bottom again. And I'm going to tap in my search box. And this time I'm going to look for a specific account. And the name of the account I'm going to look for is called This is Edinburgh. So if I did have this typed in already, you can see that's the second option listed on that screen. If I didn't have that typed in already, I would first type in my @ sign. So I will bring up the symbols to get my @ sign. And so I tap on the @ sign. And then I'll go back to using my letters and I'll start typing in, this is Edinburgh. And then I tap search on my keyboard. And once I tapped search, it's going to take me, it's going to give me a list of accounts. And the one that I want is the one that's called This is Edinburgh without the underscores. And so I'm just going to tap on it. And this is an account that you can go to and check out it's what actually what it is. It's a tourism account for the city of Edinburgh. And as you can see, just to give you some stats of what you're looking at, they have a little logo called Forever Edinburgh. And then to the right of that, you can see that they have posted, this account has posted a little over 3,200 times. So they have 3,200 posts in their account. They have almost 200,000 followers. So there's around, 188,000 people who are following them. And then they're following 1,479 accounts. So that's what those stats are telling you at the top. And then right below the little red circle, you'll see the word Edinburgh. And then right below that, you'll see their account name. And you see that it begins with the @ sign and then the name of their account. And so right below that, it gives you a little bit of information about their Instagram page. And then right below that is what's called a link tree. And whenever you see a link tree, that little symbol there, it usually has more information about this site. For this particular site, if you tapped on edinburgh.org, it's going to take you to the website. And then right below that, if you want to follow this page, if you want to follow, you have to have an Instagram account yourself. And if you want to follow them, all you need to do is just tap on the follow. And so now Janet as Planet is following this account. And so whenever this account posts anything, it will appear, when I tap on the home page, it would appear on as one of the post on her homepage. So that's how you follow different accounts on Instagram. So I just went back to the search bar again. And so then right below that, you can message them by tapping on message. You can send them a direct message and message them and ask them a question or whatever. And then right below that, here are other suggestions that Instagram is suggesting because you are following the Edinburgh account. This is Edinburgh. It assumes that you might be interested in these other Instagram accounts too. So you can tap on that and start following them. And then right below that will show some categories within this Edinburgh website. So if you tap on the summer, these will probably be posts based on the summertime. The other posts based on the springtime and examples. So these kind of filter out their different posts that they have. And then right below that are all the posts that This is Edinburgh has posted within their account. And you can tap on either one. So I'm just going to tap on that one right there. And so this is a post that a picture that they uploaded and posted to their account. And when you scroll down, You can read about this post. You can look at the comments where it says view all comments. You can just tap on that and view some of the comments that people have in regards to this post. And then you can, I just swipe down to take that off. And then if you like this post, you can hit the heart and like it, or you can comment on it by clicking on that little bubble and make your own comment. And then you can also share by clicking on that that icon, the share icon. It looks like a little airplane. And then to the right of that, it looks like a flag to me, the symbol over to the far right. If you tap on that, you can save this post and go back to it later if you want to go back and look at it again. And when you save a post, I just tapped on that little flag icon and it brought up this screen. And right now I'm seeing posts that Janet has Planet has saved so far. And she created a collection called Cute Animals. And so if she sees any other animals that she likes on Instagram, she will probably save it and then save it within this account. If I wanted to create a new collection, I would just tap on where it says new collection and then start an Hindenburg collection. I'm just going to tap on done. And so now I can save this picture to the Hindenburg collection. So if I wanted to go see all of my saved posts later, I can tap on my profile icon. Remember, that's the last icon at the bottom there on the far right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth icon. I'm just going to tap on that. And then in the top right-hand corner, you see the 3 lines. Those 3 lines are normally called the hamburger menu. So I just got to tap on it. And once I tap on it, you see one of my options, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. The 5th option says saved. I am going to tap on that, and it's going to show me all of my saved Instagram posts. So that was just a quick overview of Instagram. Hope that made, I know that was pretty quick, but like I said, we do have a whole lecture on it. And it's about an hour that will go in a little bit more detail for you. So again, thank you guys for being here. It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye, you guys.